Heading back into your class edit page, let's switch back to the schedule type. So instead of a weekly class, let's say you have just a single event. So we can switch to this. And what that does is removes the drop down. So there's not a repeatable selection, it's just a single event. We can put in a start date, so it's today and a few days time, when it starts, duration, same thing, price and capacity, same details, yeah, all the same. We can get rid of that and update. This time, so if we refresh on the page, you can see that the event date is not selectable. Okay, so there's only that, just one date, and it does have the start and end date in the heading right there. So it's just a very small little change, but it can be useful for those who want to differentiate between a class and an event.